Hi guys, and welcome to another YouTube. I'm your host Sophia, and today I'm bringing you a style you've already seen. This is the Drive by Wille. I'm absolutely in love with this. I feel very cheeky today, so I don't know where I'm going, but I'll go somewhere in this style. So today I'm going to show you only two colors. I'll put them on so you can see them. This color right here is the dark chocolate mix. It's a classic color. Absolutely in love with it. This does have the middle part, so I'm going to show you the part on this style. So it's a center part right there, and then you have that lace front, and then you have the wefts coming right through with the adjustable straps. Keep in mind it's a petite average, so this piece, if you're 21 inches, 21.5, 22, that's kind of the range that this will fit very well. You can kind of push it to like 22.5, but that's kind of pushing it a lot. And it might start to stretch, and then you'll see those wefts back here. So just keep that in mind if you want this piece. Those are the ranges you have to be in. Hopefully maybe they'll make it in a bigger size, because I do think this is a very popular style. And hopefully maybe if they're listening, can we have one with a mono top? Please, pretty please. I absolutely love this. It's gorgeous. This color that I have in my hand, this is the cherry red mix. It's a dark burgundy red, and then it has that fire red blended through. So here it is. And if you haven't caught the live, definitely watch the live. I do explain in the live some questions that people have had, such as what heat level to use, whether they can put bangs, whether they can style it, and other questions. So definitely check out that live. I'll do a little 360 view for you on this. So this is that dark chocolate. You see the front, and I've kind of brought all the hair to the front just because when it's to the back, just like any heat-friendly piece, it's gonna tangle a little bit. So this is the back, and keep in mind heat-friendly 275 to 300 degrees, and you probably need to use that heat a little bit to style it. Now this does come pretty bone straight, so if you wanted to add some curl or some wave, all for that. I highly recommend you get two pieces though. If you do want to curl it or anything like that, keep one straight, keep one curly. That way the piece does last a lot longer. So always keep that in mind. This particular one, I will say I had to put a lot of dry shampoo on it because it was very, very shiny. So to take away that shine, which all synthetics have, get some dry shampoo in there, just comb it through, which I did with this one. And then guys, let's check out that cherry red mix, shall we? Oh my gosh, how did I do that? So this color right here is that cherry red mix. I love it. I'm hearing very positive reviews on this one, and I do actually think this one kind of falls a little better. I like the length on this one. You saw the difference in length between the dark brown and this red one. What do you guys think? Let me know your concerns, any questions you have, and also keep in mind skin tone and different colors. And I'm in lighting, so that's going to affect the coloring of these pieces, as well as how different colors can change what you look like. So you may have to change your look as well. So guys, that's all for today. Let me know your comments below. I'll read it, I'll answer you, and shoot me some questions that I can answer in our next video. Bye!